Hi, my name's Jared, and I'm from KWR Music in Chino, California, and this is the first video in a series of installments on how to properly maintain and clean all the band instruments, so flute, clarinet, trumpet, trombone, and saxophone. So, the first thing we're going to go over is a flute. This is a flute, and I'm going to go over just basic workings of a flute, how it's put together, and then the supplies you're going to need to clean it with, and yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so this is a flute. There's three pieces to it. You have the head joint here, the body, and then the foot joint. I'm going to show you how to put it together. So this is your body joint. It's the biggest piece on the flute. You take your head joint, part right there, and this goes in the top. And then you're going to take your foot joint, this goes on the bottom. And notice how I'm not grabbing the keys and then twisting in when I'm putting the foot and the head joint in. That'll actually bend these posts right here and these keys. It's about a $15 repair. And then so this is how it looks like all put together. So what you want to do is at the connection here from the foot joint and the body joint, this post here lines up with these keys so you can see this whole part's offset. Alright, so I'm going to break down the basic supplies you're going to need to help clean your flute. This is a flute cleaning rod. You'll see them in metal and plastic forms. This is a cotton swab or some type of cloth. This actually goes on this little hook right here, and you wrap it around and that goes through your flute. I'll get to that when we actually start cleaning. This is a silver polish cloth. It's actually treated with silver polish. It's for the outside and to prevent the flute from becoming tarnished. This is disinfectant. Great. Highly recommend this. And then some paper towels. Alright, so we're going to start off with cleaning the head joint. What you're going to do is you're going to take your disinfectant, you're going to spray it once inside the head joint, like so. Then you're going to take it again, you're going to spray your lip plate, and then this is where the paper towels come in. Just take your paper towel, wipe around it, and then you're all set. Alright, next we're going to start off by cleaning the foot joint. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the corner of your cleaning cloth, and then you thread it through here, like so. Give yourself a little bit of slack, and then you wrap it around the top part like that, and make sure you don't get this too thick, else you actually won't be able to clean the inside. And actually what I've already done is I've taken some disinfectant. I've done about like a little bit on here so it's a little bit moist so it can get anything that's dried up in there. And what you're going to do, one end, go through, twist it around a little bit, get the stuff out, flip it over, go through again, back out. That's it. Alright, last but not least, we're going to go with the body. It's pretty much the same thing as the foot joint. The only difference is that it's longer. So you're going to take your flute cleaning rod that you should already have all wound up and ready to go. Wind it down a little bit more because the body is longer, so you don't want to get the metal inside and scratch the inside of the flute. And then all the way through. Out, flip it over, all the way through again, pull it out. And that's it for cleaning the inside. Now we're going to get to the outside of the flute. Alright, now we're going to get to cleaning the outside of the flute. So I've set all my other stuff off to the side. So you're going to take your silver treated polish cloth, and basically you're going to polish body joint of the flute. Now, good suggestion I would use so that you're not keep polishing where you put your fingers is try to get the entire flute in it like this, so that way you're not keep touching all the stuff you already cleaned. And basically you're going to see all these marks here. You're going to see some tarnish because this is silver coated nickel and silver does tarnish. And what you're going to do is you're just going to take it, you're just going to go like this, get on all the keys, all the posts. Be careful not to push down really hard. Like I said, you'll bend your posts and your keys that way. And then also too, you'll see little springs in between here that connect keys. They're silver usually, they're silver color. And then be careful that you don't hook the polish cloth on there and pull it out, because then you have to put it back on. It's not that big of a deal, it's just annoying. And so you're going to do that. And then what I also highly recommend you get is a duster brush. It has a little bristled end here and then a little soft end here like a broom. And then what you can do is if you get dust buildup or anything between the keys, it's great for going inside and getting everything out. It's like $2, not that bad. And then basically what you're going to do is you're going to do that for all the rest of the body of the joints of the flute. So your foot joint and then your head joint. And then after that, you're all done. Put it back in your case and you're ready to go.